Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the proposal, contract and invoice navigation in your Dubsado proposals. So by default, proposals will view with a top bar navigation, which will show the text proposal. And if you have your contract and invoice attached to the workflow, then this will show proposal, contract, invoice. It will look a bit like this. Here you can see the top bar navigation of proposal, contract and invoice. This is what it looks like without any custom CSS used. So I am going to show you how to remove this. And first of all, we're going to dive into the reasons why you might want to remove this. So there might be a couple of reasons why you would want to remove the navigation. And the first one is replacing your PDF with a form in Dubsado. So you might want to use the Dubsado proposal form as a live link to give your clients access to additional information that can live in their client portal. You can use the action send form in a workflow and select apply to portal only, or you can use in a button in an email. So essentially it's being used as a landing page without any packages and the option, and also removing the option to submit. The second reason is you might want to use it as a pricing guide. Here is what this would look like in Dubsado. It's a pricing guide that I created for one of my clients. They didn't want it to have it on their website, so we put it into a Dubsado form. And as you can see, I've removed the top bar and also the submit bar. So it essentially just acts as a landing page for the client. So it will be a live link that they can send to any client, or can add it in a button in an email, or attach it to a workflow to apply to the client portal. And the third and final reason that you might want to remove the proposal, contract, invoice navigation is you're using a public proposal and you are embedding this onto your website, and you just don't want that to be viewed as the first thing that they see. So those are a couple of reasons. Now let's dive into the CSS code that we need to use to remove this. So we're going to go over to form styling, and then we're going to scroll down and go to edit CSS. From here, I want you to paste in the CSS class. So this code is going to be below in the comments. So this is the CSS class that we want to target, and we're going to do display none, and then I'm just going to put an important to override it. And then the next one is going to be the warning. So I'm going to grab that CSS class, and again I'm going to put display none. Now you can save this form and preview. As you can see, this has now removed the code. So let's now dive into removing this submit bar here as well. So the CSS class for this is submit form button. And again, we're just going to pop in display none. Save the form. And now you will see, once adding that code, it has removed the top navigation bar, and also it has removed the submit button. So that is exactly how to remove your proposal, contract and invoice top bar, and also the submit button on your proposals.